If you are wondering if iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max have a SIM card slot, then the answer is yes and no. It actually depends where you live or where you purchase your iPhone. If you purchase pretty much anywhere in the world, then you will be able to find the SIM card slot, and it looks like this. In most places we have just one SIM card slot. We can use one physical nano SIM card, I mean, and then we can use it inside our phone. However, if you use an iPhone, or actually if you have an iPhone from United States, then most likely you will not be able to find the SIM tray, which is located on the left side over here. So in that case, you can only use eSIMs. And if you, for example, get an iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max from China, then in that case you will have a SIM card slot. In fact, you will have two SIM card slots, so you will have dual SIM available on your iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. So if you are from United States, you probably don't have it. If you live in China, you have two SIM card slots, and if you live anywhere else, you just have one SIM card slot. And then in addition to that, you can use eSIM as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.